Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Kokkarebellur, a small village in Mandya district of Karnataka where you can find lots of migrated birds like painted stork and spot-billed pelicans. Best season is from December to April. This place is well connected to the road and is located approximately 15 kilometers away from Maddur and 87 kilometers from Bengaluru. The name of the village is derived from Kokkare meaning stork and Bellur meaning village of jaggery. This is one of the popular tourist places near Bangalore and Mysore. Few important points about this place. Though this is called a bird sanctuary, but actually there is no defined place as bird sanctuary. The village itself is a bird sanctuary, and one can roam the entire village by walk to see birds roaming around. A lot of bird can be seen nesting on the treetop. So when you are walking, you absolutely don't forget to see the treetop. There is a museum known as Nature Interpretation Center where you can find and learn about migrated birds. Apart from this, there is also a rehabilitation center where you can know about the process of recovery from injury and illness of the migrated birds. There is no entry fee for the bird sanctuary. So, one more important point, or you can say a tip as per my personal experience, when you are watching the birds, don't go very close to them because sometimes they may attack. So, take care of this part if you are going, especially with the kids and the elderly people. So, I hope you get little idea about this place. Now, let me show you the sanctuary through my lenses. Hope you will enjoy it. So when they are hungry, they do like this. They are biting themselves. They are hungry. Okay, that's why they are asking for food.
These upside spot present spot-billed pelicans.
इसके नीचे जो
Okay.
है ना उसने वो
Rescued.
करके
They,
store
they these are
करता है।
rescued one.
Now
Okay.
falling time 500 gram, 600 gram. Now
ऐसे
6
करके
kg, 7
या
kg.
तो ऐसे
Now
नीचे ऐसे कुछ
outside
ना
keeping all some outside keeping. Now already playing learning here. Free to treat.
Okay.
After go back Siberia.
Okay. Okay. So they were very small when they came here.
Oh yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now nesting tree, they November coming here. That time nest start.
Okay. They are small. They are baby or.
Baby, that one, this one compare.
Okay.
That one they first batch breeding. That one available.
Mm-hmm.
Now they abandon, renest again
Okay.
after chick rescue. This one painted stork.